Hi, my name is Humphrey Chung with TGDaily.com in Los Angeles in front of the Wired Next Fest. It's at the LA Convention Center. I'm talking with Bill Dubay. He's with Kilocycle, and what we see behind us is a electric motorcycle, a very fast electric motorcycle. Now, he does this in his spare time. He builds these bikes, he builds this bike, races them. He's going to do a burnout for us in a couple minutes, but we're here. We're going to get some more details about it. How fast can this bike go?
This is the world's quickest electric drag bike. We do 0 to 60 in less than 1 second, 0.97 seconds in the quarter mile. And we do the quarter mile. At the end of the quarter mile, we're doing 158 miles an hour.
This is a giant cordless drill,
if you think about it, with wheels. It uses A123 Systems batteries. I wear all the tattoos here. They're a wonderful sponsor to us, and they have the world's most powerful lithium-ion batteries. These are.
Especially if he's going to be rolled off in an ambulance.
You don't even say things like that. You know, I've seen someone killed in the drag strip.
Really?
Yeah. That's the most dangerous motorsport.
There you go. Perfect. That's it. Back up into it a little bit. There you go.
Are we set up with the other crew? It's going to be,
Give me 2 seconds before you go.
I got another crew. Where's the other crew?
Power brake. Yeah. Got away from me there.
It actually stuck on.
Oh. No problem. Well, we'll take care of this first, and then we'll take care of everything else. No problem. On the ground in point.